Okay, today we're gonna revive a dead camera. Good. And if that's what I think it is, actually, I don't think we're gonna revive a dead camera. Okay. But we're in for a surprise. I think it's actually nipimut immiussissuutiinga taalu SD-kortita taallamik suuterinngikkallаарma taa piseqqammaluarpunga PNH-ikkuut SD-kortinumarlun 2 GB taakkuusoraadungit ullamikku tikissimmasut eqqarsaaluarma una uummarsalaarniarlugu kisuukuattaamaarpasikkut alaqalittukkunni pinnutiinikkuukkit maaqaamatingissuuqaangi. Okay, this is for giving athletic.
Oh!
Yes! That's what it is!
Oh, okay.
Man, like, neri nasumik mauponing karo athletic uniruaqutingisinnaawat qilaamuarlaanu imaattaa athletic nivingaata and niutikivittaarlami. Ismaqaaluarmaana SD-kortiussaaluartu ullimikku taakkutikittut. So, apparently it's not. Hayaku kisami qaatiliuna ikkunniarsaalugu. So, they didn't really work. Like I said, we're gonna revive a dead camera. So no further ado, for I have SD cards now.
So Juaansi, suona uno takkesimäni, so masekkullu imiussisinaallutin.
Yo seatu ullutinne, you can't just do anything. Of course I could. Kisiani masekkut SD-kortterisara ataasinaanikuumami kammalaatimmalu atoallarlugu nipimut immiussivimut so taalu pisaraaqartillugu taanna SD-kortet Tascam DR60 Mark II tassunga atortartussaami. For now I have new SD cards. Taimmaa qaamasimuussiu blogimiluuni malinnaasimuussi unaanguaq videoliuteriinguaq Canon M6. I don't think sivittajaamik taalu qaalilaarlilimmaa 2017 vlogiliutitoitlataanikuaa. So now we're back in business. Atoqqissinaalunnissaanut. Voila! Now we're talking. Yay! Look at you, there you guys. This is pusigissi. All right. This vlog iliuteriinguuna uteqqittussangussoo imaallaassilami angalaarlutulu pisinnaangoqqissangaluarpugut taalu malinnaasimangikkусsikkuanaat YouTube channeliani masakkut sini wawaami ikkussillataarernikuugut siullert sisamangorner 0 mars.
Yes.
Marsi arfineq arpaani episodesiullaq uangatungasoq ikkuteqqamerpoq taatassani malinnaarusukkasimalinnaalerniarisi sapaasakunnerit marluk allartarlumi ikkussisattussaavunga so malinnaaniarisi amma nalunarfingisaarmarpasseqqaaqqugukku takkuttassanersuut. So there you have it. Masakkut SD-kortinik marluni pitarpunga. There's I'm gonna make twice as many vlogs. No. Like what? I'm here alone, money. It's just me. So I'm gonna vlog which means I don't have a lot of time. In fact, you know what that means, right? Pancake Thursday city, but as a matter of fact, I should be out by 15 minutes. Vini, allanillapasarpi.
Pancake Thursday!